Imagine waking up tomorrow with just a laptop, an internet connection, and the knowledge you're about to hear in this video. No savings, no fancy equipment. Yet within weeks, you're covering bills and building income streams that could last for years. It might sound impossible, but people are doing it right now while you're watching this. And today, I'll walk you through the exact steps I'd take if I had to start making money online from zero in 2025. Number 1, the skill that prints money. Forget chasing clients. Clients are already searching for you. On platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Contra, the fastest entry? Pick a micro skill like short-form video editing, product descriptions, or thumbnail design. Learn it in 1 week. Offer it in a niche people already spend money on. In the next step, you won't even need a skill, just a link. Number 2, leveraging someone else's products. Affiliate marketing lets you earn by recommending tools, courses, or products you trust. Amazon Associates for physical goods. Impact Radius for software. ClickBank for digital products. Create simple content, tutorials, comparison posts, or top 10 lists. And in a moment, I'll show you a method that works with no products, no inventory, and no customer service. Number 3, knowledge packaging. Everyone knows something worth paying for. Turn it into a short guide, a toolkit, or a mini course. Sell it on Gumroad, Kajabi, or your own website. Build it once, sell it for years. Just update when needed. Next, we go into opportunities where companies pay you monthly without hiring you full-time. Number 4, remote work without a degree. Platforms like FlexJobs and We Work Remotely list global jobs in social media, customer service, and virtual assistants. Many roles start at $10 to $20 an hour, but the real value is consistent, recurring pay. But if you want income that can grow while you sleep, the next step is for you. Number 5, micro income streams that stack. Start a faceless YouTube channel, create TikTok clips, or post affiliate content on Pinterest. Alone, each one is small, but combined, they can snowball into a serious monthly income. Number 6, turning views into dollars. Monetization comes from ads, sponsorships, and memberships. The more people you reach, the more each piece of content works for you, even while you sleep. Tie your freelance skills, affiliate links, and content together into one audience. Over time, this becomes a self-feeding machine that keeps growing. Don't chase every method at once. Pick one, commit for 90 days, and track every result. Skills compound, income compounds. The opportunity isn't in a trend you missed yesterday. It's in the action you take today. Subscribe now, and I'll show you how to turn your first $100 online into your first 1,000 and beyond.